Hello, here is Rodrigo Togores for another video for Togores and Cards, and here we are for a new gameplay. I'm going to play again, why not? I am tweaking deck, really. There are always two cards that are pending, 2-3 cards though, like Dark Hole, I had the third dimensional prison, Pot of Avarice and so. And here, and yesterday I played Golo cards, I won all 4 rounds, so first I played against a Samurai guy that was like his first tournament. He started off like gate away, dojo, and set a back roasted a monster. That was easy. Then I played against I don't remember us. No, the third round I played Samurai against Elena, my girlfriend, and then the fourth round I played against Arturo, his world champion, in the S from 2010, and he played like Agents Insecto together. So it's super insect. This card that rams the monsters level up, so to such Insecto. So okay, but this list is really I enjoy it. That the third person is not so good. So give me ideas for the what I call play instead of the third person. I don't like Pot of Avarice. I don't like another Pot of Duality. I don't like another Tenki or another Karkadi. So give me other cards choices that I haven't think of. I would like to play another Finish Chain or another Bottomless or Torrential, but I can't. And Starlight Road was also kicked. So let's see. I want to save my deck. Duel room. Okay. Oh, match TCG. Yeah. So let's see. With the partner, Pirate Weasel. We wish like good luck. And he starts. Let's see if we don't get ass fuck it. But okay, we drew a decent hand. Okay. Okay, this deck is a little weird. Banish. Factory. I like to make the factory usually first turn, cause so sometimes you don't set the storm is the card. Okay, this card is good because okay, this monster so Mirror Force. We can bait a little of removal. Okay, we have the shark then. Whoa, he drew the road. Okay, we're going to attack. He's going to make Call the Haunted, maybe? Yeah. That's not right now what I like, but okay. We banish this. View, yeah, as you see. Special summon this. And then we set to back rows. We are trying to we banish this, search for Magician. It's really strange that we get OTK'd by this deck he's playing, so the Mirror Force would be really great if it were we make another Mirror Force. Now with the rabbits working, we're going to try to summon another rabbit. Okay. So he maybe has another Call of the Haunted. If he has another Call of the Haunted, we're going to MST, but now we draw another MST. We're going to MST it for sure. So battle phase, we can summon the Turget. Now we're going to keep with the rabbits. I think it's... How good is the plan with the rabbits? Yeah, battle phase. We're getting a broken advantage. So we remove this. Search for another rabbit. Set another MST back row. And turn. We banish this. And search for another shark. So we are going +2 every turn, so, and we are thinning our deck. This card is... Okay, so he draws... That's that's equalize. Okay, that's minus. Safe zone, response. We banish this. I don't think he's going to OTK us, but... So... We don't want to... this is... Okay, it failed to target. Okay, he can draw cards. I'm not really sure if this works like so. Okay. Rabbit control. He playing ninjas. I'm going to search really fast what's the technique, man. Yu-Gi-Oh! Ninja deck. So, I don't know what the card is. Okay, here is not the card, but... Okay, ninjas. Ninjutsu Art of Super Transformation. The card has to go to the graveyard. That's I'm looking. That's a little illegal, but okay. Okay, they have to go to the graveyard. But how good is then this? I don't know. So what should... shall we decide in the graveyard remove our cards? I think the snowmans are good because he attacked with his monster. And so this tornadoes also. And spot removal. So, the dark card is a good card. I think our best cards are the rabbits. So this, I think I'm going to do like so. He may be siding Thunder Kings. I think it's better raw card advantage than this. RB. He can exceed a lot, but he also... I'm gonna try so. Because of the... Sorry. So, yeah. Okay. We call I think starting with tribute Winged beast or okay. We are going to MST this. We should MST his card. No, yeah. Ooh. Okay. Okay, we cannot play drop cards and we cannot set monsters. I don't know. So we have to go with vanish. You have to go into the thin mines, and that's not. Okay, he can set cards. He can set cards. So I'm going to banish this. And that's 2000. Oh, you're a little fuck it. Huh? This deck should have a good matchup against. Okay, so. Um, we have to run into anything with 10 mines. And let's see what happens, because we have nothing else. Okay, end phase. We are not destroying the Simorgh, we are destroying this if he has safe zone. Okay, that's not really good for us. We cannot set cards, so enter. Okay, let's see if we are dead. Okay, to grave 500. This was a pretty strong start, so to grave and we die. Okay, now we know his plan, and that's not. Uh, so he's playing like combo deck. I'm going to. I still think these are good cards, but the Fiendish Chain are better than I thought. RBs, I'm sure they're really good. This is not so good. So I like the snowmans. Mirrorforce may be worse than Depression. So yeah, that should be fine. Because of safe zone and so. So we're going here to Rabbit and set 2 cards. He maybe plays Storm or not. We have to just Tornado set, so if he makes activate, remove his cards from the field, so we are able to push next turn. Weird effect. He maybe have called the Haunted Fiendish Chain, so we are going to attack, so overlay. We overlaid and 10 mines. He's at least difficult to destroy. And we are setting. We should set the Dark Hole under the Storm. I don't think he's going to MST his cards, my cards. But I usually are not for setting the Storm against good decks. But yeah, I'm not going to set it. I think in 2 turns, yeah, you see. If I set this, it will. Next turn, it would have been game, so. Oh, we can go into Leviar. We can kill him. Level. He has no cards. We will be in good position if we make safe zone. Okay. He pays. We are not against. We can Dark Hole him. And we banish our card and we get plus from the. So we are going to remove my friend here. Aiton Sama saying me that every day this judgment is getting worse and worse, and that's really true. Normal summon. Okay, and we can go for game. We are going to go for game if he has a. He's called the Haunted. I think yes. On the shark? On the shark? Or what? So we're going to just tornado this. So I still attack. I think he has another Fiendish Chain. I should not have. Here. Okay, vanish. Yeah, I was afraid of that, but. Okay. My rabbit comes back. Oh. That's not nice. Uh, mm, so, what are we going to do here? We set the monster and end the turn. So maybe he attacks. Will be good for us. We destroy the ninja. I'm going to. He plays the other card, so he's kind of able. Any vanish, flip, destroy. So that's good for us. Okay. He's getting really a lot of cards from. So yeah, we only good. We don't play Gaga Magician, so he doesn't have a monster. So enter. We'll wait until we'll draw a removal. So or we can make or a red. Then we can bait a lot of cards of him. RB will be also. RB will be really cool. I think I left it at the end. So. Ooh, another MST. So that goes. Okay, to grave. Whoa. Yeah, but that's not. Acid Golem will be fine another time in my life. Wind and darkness. Okay. Ninja, okay. Vanish. To 7, yeah. Mm. Oh. He's not a bad player. I think most surely his back row is like the crap, but okay, now I can go into. I wanna kill him. I don't have a big monster to make this. Level 4 Maestro this is awesome. So that's pretty cool. We can make here. Leave. That's not so cool. We can make level 4 the Maestro or the Deer Wolf. The dwarf is beast. This is warrior, and this is beast warrior. So with the again, the best option is the sand mines to attack, and then let him. With the warrior, we make my monster 600. Nah, that's no sense. Sand mines, he can go into a gunman. Gunman as, that will be 500. Gunman as for 1.5. Yeah. Yeah, he can gunman as for 500 if he draws a monster. But, yeah. The Maestroke is really good play, but we only kill his one monster and then we are left. But we can summon the Maestroke in defense. And yeah, okay. We're going to summon this in attack, detach. He maybe has. Oh. Okay, I think that will be the best. We make this card here, the Ixo Invoca. We summon the warrior, we exceed into level 4, Maestroke in defense. Set this, attack over. I cannot set cards. Oh, my plan was like that shit. I cannot set cards, so I can only go and turn. The second Simorgh was pretty. That's 2-5, yeah, and with defeat. The Simorgh is really weird for me, but okay. I'm going to check. Could have done. We set this in, this in. We set this out, this out, this out. We set this in, this out, and we set it one snowman out, I think, or 1% no one snowman. So yeah, I think I. Okay, so thank you. Goodbye. Ciao.